Good afternoon everyone. Today we will revise fill in the blanks from various topics. I have written here some questions which are mixed form because this time in your syllabus you are having addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So these four topics are in your syllabus. Along with it there is regrouping also, multiplication table also. These all will be included in your fill in the blanks. So let us now today practice these few questions which are very easy, but side by side they are very interesting also, and you have to be very careful while exam, because sometimes children generally make mistakes by seeing the symbols. By doing subtraction, so all of a sudden one addition sum is coming, so they may mistake there. So this time be very careful in your exam when you are solving. Please first see the symbol and see what is asked, and then you start solving. The first question is 2 multiplied by 8. Now the first sign is multiplication, so we have to read the table of 2, either 8, which is easier for you, you read. I have told you also previously, so multiply any one. So we think 8, it will come first. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16. So 8 twos are 16. Next, 4 divided by 2. Now whenever a division sign will be there, we have to do just opposite, vice versa. That means 2 how much is 4? We have to read the table of 2 until 4 is coming. So read the table of 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. That means until 4 is coming, we have read the table. That means here it will be 2. The answer will be 2. Next one, 13 plus 3. Now when it is forward counting, always try to count in your hand, because the smaller addition you try to do forward counting after the given number. Suppose here 13 is given, so after 13 we will start counting, that is 14, 15 and 16. That means 3 counting more 3s we have to count in finger. It will be easier for you. So after 13, if you are counting 3, that means it is 16. We will write here 16. If any number is given like 21 plus 3, so after 21, 22, 23, 24. If 33 is given, after 33 more 3, 34, 35, 36. I am giving for example 3. It may be 4, it may be 2, it may be 5, whatever. So count after the given number. Next, 16 plus 0. 0 means nothing. We know children, 0 means nothing. So after 16 it is given plus 0. So don't make mistake. 0 means nothing. You are having 16 in your hand and you are not adding anything. So what will be your answer? 16 will be as it is your answer. Next, 5 minus 5. See, all of a sudden after addition to addition, subtraction came. So be very careful in your exam also. So 5 minus 5. Suppose you are having 5 chocolates and you are eating up 5 only. So how much is left with you? I think you will tell 0. So 5 minus 5 will be 0. Whenever the same number is given in subtraction, the answer will be always 0. Next, 10 multiplied by 10. Now we have to read the table of 10 until 10 is coming. So we shall read 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30, 10 fours are 40, 10 fives are 50, 10 sixes are 60, 10 sevens are 70, 10 eights are 80, 10 nines are 90, 10 tens are 100. So 10 multiplied by 10 will be 100. Next, 30 divided by 5. Now read the table of 5 till 30 is coming. So we have to read the table of 5 until 30 is coming, because I told you opposite of division we have to do to find out the answer. We have for division because here we are not doing the solution, we are not solving here. So you are not showing the process also. Your direct answer, because blank is there, so you have to write direct answer. So read the table of 5 until 30 is coming. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 3 is 15, 5 4 is 20, 5 5 is 25, 5 6 is 30. So you will write here 5 6, that means 6. Okay children. Now let us go to the next question. 14 plus 5. Now already 14 is there. I told you any number may be given. So after 14 count 5. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So it will be 19. Next. After addition, see, just addition, subtraction is given. Now 18 minus 18. 18 you are having and the same number we are subtracting. So the answer will become 0. Now 14 minus how much? The answer will be 14. How much you should subtract from 14 so that you are getting 14 as answer. So 14 minus nothing. That means 14 minus nothing will be 14. So 14 minus 0 will be 14. We are not subtracting anything from 14. Next, 16 minus how much will be 0. So what you should subtract from 16 that your result will become 0. That means suppose you are having 16 chocolates. So how much you should eat up so that you are having nothing left. So you have to eat all. That means 16 only. So same number. When the answer is 0, that means you are subtracting the same number. So here it will be 16. Next, 17 plus. See, all of a sudden after minus plus sign came. So 17 plus how much is 17. So whenever we are adding up, we are after 17 or nothing we are adding. That's why the answer is not changing. So 17 plus how much is 17? 17 plus 0. That's why the answer is not changing and the answer remaining the same. Next, 8 multiplied by how much is 64. So we have to read the table of 8. 8 1 is 8, 8 2 is 16, 8 3 is 24, 8 4 is 32, 8 5 is 40, 8 6 is 48, 8 7 is 56, 8 8 is 64. So that means 8 multiplied by 8 is 64. So we are going to write here 8. Now here next question, 10 divided by 10. Now how much you should divide from 10 and you have to subtract, your division is there and the same number is given. So you have to read the table of 10. I told you opposite of division we have to do. That means opposite of division is multiplication. So 10 how much is 10? So 10 multiplied by 1 is 10. So that means 10 ones are 10. So I have to write there 10 ones are. That means 1. So whenever we are subtracting the same number, we are dividing. When we are dividing the same number, that means the answer will become 1. So these are the tricks you have to remember while solving these types of sums. Okay. Thank you children.